Okay, after studying the basic rules of finding tricks, 10 tricks of finding the oxidation number, now we are going to start with very simple questions. Slowly, depth of the questions I am going to increase. So as a warm-up question, very simple question. Nitrogen is very famous element which can show wide variety of oxidation numbers. Okay, so it can show oxidation numbers right from the can show oxidation number right from the -3 to +5. Almost all oxidation state it can show. Okay, so just as a warm up, I am giving you the these questions. You can try on yourself, and directly I will be writing on the answers. Then you can, if you still you got any problems, you can ask. Okay. So now I am writing the answer one by one with the fast explanation. Okay, because these are the very simple questions, not exceptional cases. In NH3, it is a neutral molecule. N plus 3 into hydrogen is equal to 0. Nitrogen plus 3 into hydrogen with non-metal, it will be plus 1 is equal to 0. So nitrogen will be -3. Okay, first answer, I think it is clear to all of you. Second answer is very easy, N2 plus N2H4. Okay, so in this one, what we will do, 2 into nitrogen plus 4 into hydrogen. As it is a molecule, the total charge will be 0. 2 into nitrogen, 4 into hydrogen, charge will be plus 1 is equal to 0. So nitrogen will be -2, I think. Okay, -2 or not? Yes. Then third answer will be N2H2. Okay. So N2H2 will be 2 into nitrogen plus 2 into hydrogen is equal to 0. 2 nitrogen plus 2 into plus 1 is equal to 0. Nitrogen is equal to -1. So nitrogen can show, see here, -3, -2, -1. And here it is elementary state. So directly I am writing without finding anything. In elementary state, oxidation number will be how much? 0. Okay. So up to D, I think clear. Now E, I am writing here N2O. Okay. In N2O, 2 into nitrogen plus 4, only one oxygen is there, is equal to 0. Okay. So 2 into nitrogen plus oxygen charge will be -2 is equal to 0. So nitrogen answer will be +1. Nitrogen answer will be +1. So I am writing it here +1. Up to here I think it is clear. Take a screenshot if possible. Otherwise, if you write it, then very well. Okay, coming to the next, we are left with what? F part. F part will be N plus. Okay, N plus oxygen will be -2 and total charge in every molecule will be 0. So N will be +2. Here answer will be +2. And G part, 2 into nitrogen plus 3 into oxygen is equal to 0. So 2 into nitrogen plus 3 into oxygen charge will be -2 is equal to 0. So nitrogen will be +3. So here I am writing it +3. Then H part, 2 into nitrogen plus 3 into oxygen is equal to 0. So here obviously I will get how much? Plus, sorry, N2O3 is already over. So here it will be 4, though it will be +4. Okay. So here oxidation number will be +4. Then I part, 2 into nitrogen plus 5 into oxygen is equal to 0. So 2 into nitrogen plus 5 into -2 is equal to 0. So obviously I will get N is equal to +5. Okay. This was a very simple question and warm-up question. If you are not able to understand, then further it will be difficult to you. So if you got any doubt, you can write to me. Okay, here somewhat difficult questions. Some easy questions are also merged together. Now you can find out the oxidation number of carbon in CH4, C2H4, CH3Cl, CH2Cl2, C6H12O6, COH whole twice, CCl4 and CO. Okay, here the very first thing, A answer, CH4. So C plus 4 into hydrogen. As it is a molecule, total oxidation will be 0 and we have to find out the carbon. Okay. So hydrogen oxidation number will be +1 with the non-metal. So it will be 0. So carbon oxidation number will be -4. Okay. So here first answer is how much? -4. Then coming to the second answer, B part, C2H4. So 2 into carbon plus 4 into hydrogen is equal to 0. So carbon will be how much? -2. Carbon will be -2. Okay. Then CH3Cl. So C plus 3 into hydrogen plus Cl is equal to 0. And carbon we have to find out, 3 into hydrogen will be +1 and chlorine will be -1 is equal to 0. So 3 minus 1 plus 2, so that goes that side, this will also be -2. Okay. So this will also be -2. If I mistake anywhere, let me know. Then CH2Cl2. CH2Cl2, C plus 2 into hydrogen plus 2 into chlorine is equal to 0. C plus 2 into hydrogen will be +1. 2 into chlorine will be -1, 0. So carbon will be how much? 0. Okay. So here 0. Then coming to the E part. C6. 6 into carbon plus 12 into hydrogen plus 6 into oxygen is equal to how much? 0. So 6 into carbon plus 12 into hydrogen oxidation number will be +1 plus 6 into oxygen oxidation number will be -2. Therefore, answer will be 0. Here carbon will be how much? It is going to be 0. Okay. So here also we are getting 0. Now let's take with the F part. Okay. F part, here 2 carbons are there, 4 oxygens are there, 2 hydrogens are there. If this bracket outside, this should be multiplied with everybody. Okay. So therefore 2 carbons, 4 oxygens, 2 hydrogens, then charge will be how much? 0. Okay. So 2 carbon plus 4 into oxygen will be -2. 2 into hydrogen will be +1 is equal to 0. So 2 carbon is equal to +2 minus 8 plus 6. So answer will be +6 here. So carbon will be +3. Am I correct? +3. Okay, up to here note down the remaining G part I will try to write here itself. Okay, so G part will be carbon plus 4 into chlorine is equal to how much? 0. And carbon plus 4 into -1 is equal to 0. So carbon will be +4. Okay. Then H part will be simple. Carbon plus 4 into oxygen. So 2 into oxygen. Then also you will get +4. Okay. So H part +4, CCl4 +4, COH whole twice +3. Okay. All 8 answers you can cross check.